Looking for a simple way to relieve back pain, improve digestion, and relax your mind? The knees to chest pose, also known as Apanasana, offers a range of powerful benefits for both your body and mind. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 research-backed benefits of this gentle yoga pose and show you how incorporating it into your daily routine can lead to better overall well-being. Let's dive in. Hold the position for 30 seconds to 1 minute, breathing deeply and evenly. Keep your back relaxed and press your lower spine into the mat. Wrap your arms around your knees or hold onto your shins. Inhale. Then as you exhale, gently bend your knees and draw them towards your chest. Lie on your back on a yoga mat with your legs extended and arms by your sides. Release slowly by extending your legs back to the mat. By compressing the abdomen, this pose stimulates the digestive organs, which can help relieve bloating, gas, and constipation. Yoga has been found to have a positive impact on digestion, with specific poses, including Apanasana, improving gastrointestinal symptoms through abdominal compression. This pose gently stretches and decompresses the lower spine, reducing tension and pain in the lumbar region. Studies have shown that yoga poses, like knees to chest, can improve flexibility and relieve chronic lower back pain by stretching muscles in the spine. The pose helps stretch the hip flexors and releases tension in the pelvic region, which is often tight from prolonged sitting or physical activity. Knees to chest is a restorative pose that activates the parasympathetic nervous system, helping the body relax and reduce stress. Studies have demonstrated that yoga reduces levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, leading to enhanced relaxation and mental clarity.